Hello everyone and welcome to a new lesson. For today we're also doing grammar and I want to start with a presentation. How many types or kinds of sentences do we have in English? We have 4 types. We have the declarative, the imperative, the exclamatory, and the interrogative. I think that you have taken these before. If not, let's study them together. What is a declarative sentence? A declarative sentence makes a statement, a regular sentence, a normal sentence, and it ends with a period, which is a point. For example, the dog in the neighbor's yard is barking, period. This is a normal sentence which tells us information. It is a declarative sentence. Next, we have the imperative sentence. An imperative sentence is a command or polite request. So you're asking something. It ends also in a period or with an exclamation mark. Examples: close the door. I'm telling you to do something. Close the door. Okay, it's a command. It's an order. Or please be quiet. So it can either be direct, very direct, or you can also put please be quiet. This is also a command or an order. And it can also end with an exclamation mark. Okay, don't forget, either a period or an exclamation mark. What is an exclamatory sentence? An exclamatory sentence expresses great emotion or excitement, something that you want to show big emotions. It ends with an exclamation mark. What is an exclamation mark? It is this line and period at the end. For example, the house is on fire. Do you usually say the house is on fire? Normal sentence? No. When a house is on fire, you shout, the house is on fire, right? So this is why here it is called an exclamatory sentence, because it is full of emotion, or it can also be full of excitement. For example, my dad is home, with an exclamation mark, okay? Because, for example, you've not seen your dad in a very long time, so when he comes to the house, you're like happy. The last example is an interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence asks a question, and of course it ends with a question mark. An example: is it raining? How are you? Are you in class? Are you listening right now? This is an interrogative question. Interrogative sentence which ends with an exclamation mark, with a question mark. And don't forget, in an interrogative sentence, you switch the verb and the subject. So the verb goes in front, the subject goes second. We don't say it is raining. This is wrong. We say is it raining? And that's why if we want to say how are you, we don't say you are how. Okay? So we switch. Now your homework is to do these sentences here. Okay? You have to choose whether these sentences is a declarative, is it an imperative, or is it an exclamatory sentence, or an interrogative sentence. So 4 types. And you have 10 sentences. For you to remember these types of sentences, remember that in English we have only 4 types of sentences. For you to remember these types of sentences, I want you to watch this video. And watch it many times, okay? So you can sing with the video as well.
Declarative, 4 types of sentences. Imperative, 4 types of sentences. Interrogative, 4 types of sentences. Exclamatory, 4 types of sentences. Declarative, statement. Imperative, command. Interrogative, question. Exclamatory, shout. Declarative, statement. Imperative, command. Interrogative, question. Exclamatory, shout. Declarative is when you're making a statement. Usually it ends in a period. just trying to make it known. For example, my brother plays trombone. Imperative is a command or request like, well, T, please finish this test.
And it's easy to remember too, because imperative sentences tell you what to do.
Declarative, 4 types of sentences. Imperative, 4 types of sentences. Interrogative, 4 types of sentences. Exclamatory, 4 types of sentences.
Declarative,
Statement,
imperative,
command,
interrogative,
question,
exclamatory,
shout,
declarative,
statement,
imperative,
command,
interrogative,
question,
exclamatory,
shout.
interrogative.
Is in the form of a question like,
Are you suffering from indigestion?
this type of sentence is easy to spot.
Because it always ends.
In a question mark,
Exclamatory always shows strong feeling like.
there's a big hairy spider on the ceiling.
The thing that sets this sentence apart is that it always ends.
In an exclamation mark.
Okay, kids, let's do some examples of each type of sentence. Declarative,
The sky is blue.
imperative,
Pick up the shoe.
interrogative,
Do you want fries with that?
exclamatory,
I love my hat.
declarative,
I like ice cream.
imperative,
Don't be mean.
interrogative,
What's your name?
exclamatory,
We've won the game. Declarative, 4 types of sentences. Imperative, 4 types of sentences. Interrogative, 4 types of sentences. Exclamatory, 4 types of sentences.
declarative,
Statement,
imperative,
command,
interrogative,
question,
exclamatory,
shout,
declarative,
statement,
imperative,
command,
interrogative,
question,
exclamatory.
shout.
So this is your homework over here, okay? I put it here at the end of the video so you can always have all the homework by the end of the video. Okay, have fun doing this and let me know if you have any questions.